Well, today in our English class we cook a chocolate sponge cake. You can help me. You tell me the ingredients, okay? So first of all, we're going to use an egg. An egg. And we're going to add all the liquid ingredients, the liquids. So here we have oil and milk. And we whisk. We whisk with a whisk. This is a whisk. And we whisk. We mix. Yeah. Oil and milk. And then we add the rest of the ingredients. Sugar. Flour and baking powder. It's very easy. Is it easy? Yes, it's very easy because you mix all the ingredients. We can make a zebra sponge cake.
Ah, ya sé.
Yeah. First, yeah, so we can use this mixture first, and then we add the chocolate. Chocolate and no chocolate cake.
No.
Chocolate. So we could add some of this mixture here, and then chocolate on the rest. We mix, and we have 2 colors sponge cake. Do you want to do that on one? Yeah, we are going to do here. Like that. And then we are going to add chocolate powder. Chocolate powder. Chocolate spoonfuls of powder. Okay. All right. I need to clean all the table afterwards, huh? How is the table now? Is it clean or dirty? Dirty. Table is dirty now. So we will have to clean it afterwards. Okay. Well, now I'm going to add a chocolate. Deliciously tasty. Okay. And if we do something like that, maybe it will go. Let's see what happens. Okay. I don't need a. What is this? You remember the name? Whisk. The whisk. We don't need a whisk anymore. We're going to take the spatula. And we are going to put all here. You have to fill in the mould, more or less, half mould. Half. Not on top. Okay? Just half. Well, and where are we going to cook it? Where are we going to bake it? Where?
In the microwave.
In the microwave. Okay. We will we will bake it in the microwave for only 4 minutes. Just 4 minutes in the microwave. After 4 minutes in the microwave, high power, we have the result. Our sponge cake. Well, we have to let it cool. Hay que dejarlo. We have to let it cool, but look at it. And the second one, look. Oh my, they're going to drive crazy. Wow, students here are going to drive crazy. Well, we're going to do something. Your mouth water. Se hace la boca agua y dice, my mouth waters. Eh?
Sí, yes.
My mouth waters. Well, I'm going to take it. Look at this. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Look at it. It's very spongy. I'm going to cut it. Well, look at this.
Oh my God.
Oh. Yeah? Good. Very easy recipe in the microwave.